Hello guys, this is Cody Brown with a different YouTube account. This is me with my Kershaw. I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, it says Kershaw right there. R.J. Martin Kershaw pocket knife. As you can see, it's got that cool, unique. It's got the unique locking mechanism, which with all Kershaw knives. It's got that sustainable clip, stainless steel, and only that much of the knife will be showing. So it's a pretty good pocket knife to be carrying. It's got some very good grip, I promise you that. It's got a longer throw up mechanism, so if you got small fingers, you could just clip on into it and just throw it out. It also has this unique hole that you can put onto a necklace, to where you can have it a necklace. My friend Dylan, he's got one that's a necklace, but it's not a Kershaw, it's a Winchester. As you can see, it's got that curve in the belly. It's pretty sharp. I don't know if you can see a scratch on it, but it made a pretty good big scratch though. Now you see it. Trying to see if you can see that. But still, it's a pretty good pocket knife. It's got this unique holder thing right there. It's pretty sharp. I recommend you to buy, if you get a knife, be sure to get a Kershaw pocket knife. They got all sizes. They got this one, which I think is a 4-inch, and I got one that is a 7-inch, from like this to this. And my friend Dylan got one also, but it's not. Yeah, it's a Kershaw, and it is camouflage, and it's pretty sharp right here. It has little griffles in it. It's very sharp. So I just wait till the next video, and then my next video will be on here in like 2 seconds, and I will show you how sharp this knife is by cutting a very thick cardboard box. Thanks for watching. See me soon. Bye.